Hello, my name is Kate Owen and I'm the Head of Global Development Operations for Bristol Myers Squibb, and I happen to be the current Chair of the Board of Directors for TransCelerate. Our mission was simple: to collaborate across the R&D continuum, to identify, prioritise, design and implement solutions that will drive effectiveness, efficiency and ensure high quality medicines for patients that need them. Our early initiatives served as a foundation of providing benefits to our patients, and since then our members have made purposeful decisions to dedicate a portion of those portfolio activities to decreasing patient burden, enabling a better informed patient, and improving clinical research awareness, participation and engagement. We've taken a more patient-centric approach, creating new solutions, tools and processes to facilitate the modern clinical trial execution. In order to properly address the challenges patients faced, we've developed and have a patient voice at every table. Today, all of our initiatives engage with patients or patient advocates. Some have even been co-developed with patients. Highlights of our patient programs include understanding the barriers to recruitment. One result was our registry of future concept, which has recently influenced the modernisation of clinicaltrials.gov, making it a much more patient-friendly source of information on clinical trials, not just for a patient, but for family members as well. Technology has been a game changer. How can we use it to enhance a patient experience? We've looked at the evolution of digital technologies, such as e-consent and e-labels, and developed practical guidance to help sponsors progress away from what has always been a paper-based process. Reducing burden is very much part of the world of TransCelerate. We've recently launched the Patient Protocol Engagement Toolkit, the Study Feedback Participant Questionnaire, all to understand and seek to understand further what patients need, how to communicate with them, and increase their understanding of the value of participation in research. These two things are the most implemented solutions by any member company and incorporate patient input into clinical trial design and conduct. We all are aware that 2020 brought an unprecedented moment where we had to pivot, thinking about how we could use data, experiences and technology to bring forward solutions that enabled the continuation of clinical trials through the pandemic. Those learnings are instrumental as we think about the ways of going forward. We cannot go backwards. We must continue our momentum with technology and listening and understanding. As we think about the future, we're committed to improving the patient experience, and one thing we must do is focus on representation. We must have diverse patient populations so that our trials reflect the communities we serve. We know that racially and ethnically diverse patient populations have been an underrepresented group, and we need to increase that in order to build greater confidence in the approved therapies we bring forward. We must provide the ecosystem with actionable tools and resources that improve diversification, not just ethnically or racially, but age, sex, sexual orientation, as well as disability. We are partnered across industry with other organisations to think about how we can do this. It is particularly poignant that we think about this as in May we celebrate International Clinical Trials Day. We must all focus on the awareness for our populations. And our hope is that through the work with TransCelerate and others, that diversification really takes hold.